Hello everyone, this is Gayatri, and this time we are picking one problem to solve how to find out the duplicate elements in single dimensional array. More frequently we are getting this question in interview. Probably few of you have already got it. Fine, so here how can we find the duplicate element? Before going ahead with the code, let us just understand what is duplicate element. So this is what a single dimensional array, where you can see 10 has been repeated, 24 has been repeated, and 58 has been repeated. So the duplicate elements are 10, 24, and 58. So how can I track the duplicate element? I have to pick one element and compare it with all other adjacent elements and check whether it has been repeated or not. So now to solve this, we have to we have to traverse the array, and we have to traverse all the elements from the adjacent element. For example, I have to traverse the complete array, then I have to traverse all the elements from the second number to compare 10 with all the numbers. So how can I write my loop here? I have to create two different loops, inner loop and outer loop. The role of the outer loop is traversing the complete array, and the role of the inner loop is traversing the array from next element till the end of the array. So here we are doing one thing. I equal to 0. From the first element I am trying to traverse I less than values dot length and I plus plus. So all the elements it will get traversed. So now j equal to 0, j less than values dot length and j plus plus. Now what we need to do is, if uh, what we have to do here is values of I equal to values of, so we need to compare. No, like if the element will be repeated, it will be considered as duplicate elements now. So here I have to print values of j. Right? So this is how we can get all the duplicate elements from here. So let us just execute the code and check the output. Okay, so here let us just a moment. Okay, so I have is a I j. So j equal to I plus 1. Fine. This I made little error in the code. So now I rectified it. Now let us just execute the code. You can see all the duplicate elements: 10, fine, 24 and 58. 10, 24 and 58. Fine, as expected, we are getting the output. Okay, so let us just have a look again. This is the initialized array. Fine, and this is the outer loop. This is the inner loop, and here we are printing all the duplicate elements. Now, how can we count? Very easy. We can count by just printing this out, count. Fine, and here we have to use count plus. The expected output of count is 3 because we have 3 duplicate elements. So now let us check. Yes, we are getting 3. Fine. So I hope this video is useful. If you are thinking it is useful, please subscribe my channel. Have a nice time.